Today I want to talk to you about using databases in your research for your history project. A database is a specialized website, and its business is to gather up research and make it available for people like you who are looking for information. We're going to look at Gale U.S. History in Context, and you can see it's a little icon here. You can find it on our LibGuide. You can also go to the virtual library and search in our big list of resources. But the easiest way is to just start here at this tab, step 2, and either tap on the icon or tap on the link. Databases require payment, so you'll need to log in, and you just need to remember that your login number is your Library Go number. It is 22091600 followed by your lunch number, and your PIN is your birthday. You just need to remember the reminder that your PIN needs to use 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for your day, and 4 numbers for the year. So if your birthday is October 14th, you'll use 1014. If it's January 3rd, you'll use 0103. The Gale interface is really nice in that it organizes information in a couple different ways once you get to it. You can search by topics, or you can just use the search bar at the top. We're going to go ahead and do that. We'll put in our topic and enter. And you'll notice that Gale does this nice thing of setting up an overview of your topic, and it sorts out the search results by different kinds, so you can find images, reference, academic journals, biographies, magazines. Depending on where you are in your research, it might be a good idea to start with just the reference articles. And so you can see that it pulls the first 3 reference articles. But if I want to see more, I just tap the word reference up at the top of that box. And now I can find out where it came from. So this one came from the Encyclopedia of U.S. History. It was published in 2009. You can see how long it is, and you can see how difficult the reading is. As you get further along in your research, you might want to examine some of the other things like a biography or even an academic journal. Academic journals are articles written by people who are in the field that you're studying, and you'll notice that articles are peer-reviewed. And what that means is that there are other scientists or historians, people who are experts in their field, have read the article and have decided that it is good and legitimate. Gale has a couple features that are really helpful for you as a researcher. One of the things that you can do while you're researching and reading articles in the database is highlight information for later. So if I highlight something that I thought was important, I can double tap it, choose what color I want to highlight it in, and if I want, I can take a note on it, and then click Save. From there, you'll need to go to the top and click Send To. Choose Google Drive, and then choose your account. You'll have to log in to give it permission. Gale will save it to your Google Drive. Now that it's saved, I can open up my Google Drive and find the folder and find that particular article. So if I go in here, I should have a new folder called Gale in Context, and inside that folder I'll have the entire article. So here's the whole article, including my highlight, and down at the bottom it's down there. So when I'm reading later, I can reread to see what I thought was important. The other thing that you can do that's really cool is up at the top, when you're ready to do your sources, you can click Cite, and you can choose what version. I think we're using MLA here. You can click Select, and then copy it, and I would paste it into your bibliography.